Hello, my name is Muhammad. It is time for researcher zukan. In this program, we introduce the researchers all over the university. Today's our researcher is Dr. Parimal from Sherry Bangla Agricultural University. Nice to meet you. So let's start the interview. Hello, Dr. Vishwas. Could you tell me what kind of research do you mainly focus on?
Thank you, Mr. Mohammed. I am Dr. Parimal and I am working here in the agronomy department as a professor. So I am working with crop physiology, crop production of cereal crops, especially the cereal and oilseed crops, pulse crops, some yield grade assessment of crops, finding eco-friendly fertilizer, some allelopathic research, and clonal propagation of rice. So these are the research I am conducting here.
Nice. What do you mean by eco-friendly fertilizer and yield gap?
Eco-friendly fertilizer means sourcing one fertilizer that is environmentally friendly, that will create less harms to the environment as well as soil, and that can be utilized for the broader spectrum, means for field crops. And yield gap is the farmer station yield and research station yield. It's the big gap. So what are the reasons for this big gap? We are searching the results. And if we succeed, then definitely it will reduce these gaps and ultimately production will increase.
Why do you focus on the research?
We are conducting research because research will give us new findings, and utilizing these new findings we can eliminate our poverty and definitely our country will benefit on that.
How do you carry out the research?
We are conducting the research based on firstly isolation of problems. So problems are based on international as well as national problems. On the basis of those problems, we are just frame a research plan and set the experiments in the field, also in the laboratory, and search out the different data, collection of data and finding their results.
What kind of experiment do you do?
Presently, I am conducting some research here like water savings techniques in rice cultivation and post-harvest processing of oilseed crops, then clonal propagation, utilization of vegetative clonals for rice, such research.
What is your motivation towards this research?
Collection of new findings. It's my target. And if we collect the findings and then the dissemination of these findings to whom? To the farmer, the user. And definitely if they got any good results, they will accept and they will utilize these findings and they will improve their livelihood.
What makes you to do the research?
It's the interest and also the orientation or also what to do for the country, because we are the scientists, we have to do some new things and this will just make us that we have to search the problem and we have to search the findings.
What kind of resource can you give to other researchers?
Resource means we have findings. So we have findings like cultivation of rice using the minimum water level. So we are using the saturated level. Submerged condition use the higher amount of water. So if we use the saturated level of rice cultivation, that we can save at least 40% of water.
Nice. Is that all of your resources?
Not only this, we have some other researches like clonal propagation, as I told you earlier, utilization of vegetative tillers with rice, and harvesting of Brassica crops in optimum time. These are some more research.
What kind of research are you going to plan in the future?
In near future or coming future, I have some plan to do some further research, that is strengthening or continuing the research on yield gap assessment.
Nice.
And also find out or searching the eco-friendly fertilizer, conducting some research on system of rice intensification, and also some research on allelopathic effects to control weeds in especially the cereal crops.
Okay, nice. That's interesting. Could you explain it more?
Yeah, like yield gap assessment. So we are searching what are the probable reasons for the yield gaps, and utilizing those reasons we can easily reduce the yield gaps, and this will ultimately improve or increase the yield. This one. Then searching eco-friendly fertilizer. We are using the huge amount of chemical fertilizer in our field. This polluted our environment, polluted our soil. So we are searching to use an environmentally friendly fertilizer for the field crops like rice, maize, wheat, etc. And then SRI, System of Rice Intensification. So it's the management variation. If we just manage our crops, grow our crops with a definite management, following definite management, then we can increase our present production level.
What will happen if you complete the research in the future?
We will find the technology and we will try our level best to utilize those technologies to this user, that is farmer, and ultimately they will improve their livelihood.
What kind of resource do you want to take from other researchers?
We have hope to do some sophisticated research here, but as a poor country we have some limitations, like the lab facilities, like the instrumental facilities. So if someone comes forward with such facilities, we will welcome them to conduct some collaborative research with them on such fields, and definitely we will welcome them all the time.
Is that all?
Almost up to now.
Yes. Could you carry out your future research with yield gap assessment, allelopathy, and system of rice intensification and eco-friendly fertilizer?
Yeah.
It is time to finish. Today's researcher was Dr. Parimal. Thank you very much again. See you next time. Bye.